Hi Val, my name is Tisha. Thank you so much for taking out this time and watching my video. I spoke to one of your associates yesterday in regards to sending this video. I came across your company while doing research of plumbers in your area, and my main goal today is just to provide some tips for increasing your business and online presence. So today we'll be talking about three different things. Today we'll talk about content, citations, and backlinks. Now, first, content is anything that is within your website. So this includes words, pictures, how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures, and videos. So in order to rank higher on Google, they're looking for at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. By having more content, you are able to include more keywords. Now, keywords are the words that are typed in a search engine to find a certain service or certain type of company. So the more keywords you have, the more customers will be able to find your website or bring them to your website. The next will be citations. Now, citations is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number can be found. This may be on Google, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Better Business Bureau, Facebook, for example. So the more citations you have, the more people are able to find your company. And the goal is to have more citations than your competitors. So one thing that I can provide is checking the citations for um, your top competitors and to see how many citations they have and just make sure that you have more than them. So this is what I found when I Googled plumbers in Richmond, California. So the first thing that we see here, these are paid clicks. So these companies are paying to have their companies listed up here. The next would be the map pack, and I do see that you're listed here, so that's excellent. Generally, people will click on the first company that they see here and call them directly from this map pack. The next we have would be an organic search. So first we see here Yelp, then Angie's List. Your number one competitor is Albert Naaman Plumbing. So what we'll do is we'll take a look to see how your website is doing and how your competitor's website is doing. And then before we move on, let me just show you their website. Okay, just to give you an idea. Okay, it looks like they have quite a bit of content. Okay. The next thing we'll look at is a tool that we called Ahrefs. It shows how your website is doing. The numbers are not exact, but it still does give us a good idea. So I'm showing here you have 342 backlinks. Now backlinks are links on a website that leads back to your website. So the more backlinks you have, the more traffic you will receive to your website. The goal is to have more backlinks, quality backlinks, than your competitor. Not all backlinks are created the same. So, for example, a backlink coming from a restaurant versus a hardware store, maybe you're getting a different amount of traffic. So we want to make sure that they're quality. The next I can see here you're utilizing 128 keywords, bringing in roughly 80 people to your website monthly, generating a little bit over $1,000 from that traffic. Now let's take a look at your keywords. So company name, then they're finding you with Plumbing Richmond, California, Plumbing Walnut Creek, Tom Betti, let's see here. So these are all of the names that they're actually typing in to find your company. So the goal is to have more keywords than your competitor. So let's take a look at your competitors, Albert Naaman Plumbing. So they have 1,800 backlinks. They're utilizing 1,600 keywords. They're bringing in about 801 people to their website monthly and generating over $13,000 in revenue. And let's take a look at their keywords. So garbage disposal, repair, Alameda plumbing, tankless water heater maintenance, residential plumbers near me. So their name, Richmond plumbers. who fixes garbage disposals. So these are just some of the examples of the keywords that they have. So what we aim to do is, again, look at see what keywords your competitors are using, and then we can always use those same keywords and incorporate that in your website so that you also can rank higher using those keywords. So I hope that you have enjoyed or you found them helpful, the tips I provided. You're welcome to use these on your own. If you would like to talk about this in more in depth, my number is 916-378-9773. Nonetheless, I would love to hear back from you either way, just to provide some feedback on this video. I truly appreciate your time, and you have a good day.